In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google Drive with your desktop and use it to manage your files effectively. Let's dive right in. First, we want to start by downloading Google Drive, which is essential for syncing your files and making them accessible across all your devices. To begin, open your web browser and go to your preferred search engine. Type in Google Drive download and hit enter. You'll see the official download link for Google Drive at the top of your search results. Click on Download Google Drive to be taken to the download page. This will set the stage for having all your documents and files available wherever you go. Once you're on the download page, you'll need to look for the option that says Download Drive for Desktop. Click on this option to start downloading the installer. The installation process is straightforward, but if you encounter any issues, just follow the on-screen instructions. Many people find that having Google Drive on their desktop is a real game changer for productivity and organization. So while the download is happening, let's talk about what makes this integration so special. With Google Drive on your desktop, you can easily sync files between your computer and the cloud. This means you can access your files both online and offline, which is particularly beneficial if you travel or work remotely. Now, once the download is complete and the application is installed, the next step is to open your Google Drive folder on your computer. You'll notice a new folder appear, usually under your favorite or quick access folders. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Within this Google Drive folder, you can create new folders to help organize your files. Let's create a new folder together. You can name it something like Obsidian Vault. This new folder will serve as a specific area where you'll store certain documents, making it easier to manage and locate them later. Organization is key when it comes to efficient file management, and having distinct folders can save you a lot of time in the long run. If you use Obsidian or plan to, here's an excellent tip. Open Obsidian and find the option that says Open Folder as Vault. You want to select the folder you've just created within Google Drive. By doing this, every note or document you create in this vault will automatically sync to your Google Drive. It's an incredibly efficient way to ensure your notes are always up to date and secure. By following these steps, you've now set up a smooth system that keeps your files safe while also being accessible anytime, anywhere. Keep exploring the possibilities with Google Drive, and soon you'll find new ways to enhance your productivity even further. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.